Hello my beauties, today in this video I'm going to share my no makeup look. It just takes 5 minutes to do it, and let's ignore the fact that I can't post like beauty gurus, and if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. Starting off my makeup by moisturizing my skin, all time favorite Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm just dotting it all over my face and then massaging it so that it's fully get absorbed. Then for lips I'm using Baby Lips lip balm. Not my favorite, but just using it because I bought it. For face, I'm using Vico Turmeric Face Cream. My mom suggested me this cream, great for oily skin, gives me matte look. It has turmeric and sandalwood oil, great for our skin. Didn't break out my skin, usually fairness cream breaks out on me, but this one is my holy grail product now. For my eyebrows, using Wet n Wild Kohl pencil, pretty in ink. I don't know how to explain this shade. It's not black, it's not brown, it's not grey, something in between. It's very pigmented. I'm just going very light-handed to get natural look, just filling the gaps, nothing much. For face, I'm using Lakme 95 Powder Matte Foundation in the shade Honeydew. It comes in a sturdy package with a good quality sponge, gives medium coverage with matte look. It lasts for 5 to 6 hours, great for everyday use. But choose the shade lighter than your skin tone because it oxidizes badly. I hope you can see the difference. It instantly mattifies my skin, no patchiness, no cakiness, gives a natural look, and also it gives a medium coverage. I'm not a full coverage fan, so for my everyday use I prefer medium coverage, and if you have dry skin, stay away from this foundation. For my eyes, I'm using LA Colors Nude Eyeshadow Palette, picking up this light brown shimmery shade on the sponge applicator and placing it all over my lids. I don't know why it is not showing up on the screen. My phone camera is not doing justice to this pretty shade. Then for my crease, I'm using the matte brown shade to add some depth to the crease. Next, picking up this lighter shade to highlight my inner corners and blending the same shade on the lower lash line to open up my eyes and to make it look bigger. A look can never be complete without mascara. I'm using Essence I Love Extreme Mascara, best affordable mascara I've used so far. You can see the difference. I didn't even curl my lashes before. It gives that falsy look. I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with this mascara. Obsessed with this look. It gives nice falsy effect. And for my lips, I'm using Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 58. A pretty nude shade which complement all skin type. And that's it. My look is completed. This is my everyday look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a like and comment down your suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.